The public admin is nothing but the study of man material, that was MC Pin. Science of administration, latest fruit of the study of science of politics, it was Woodrow Wilson. Public admin and the private admin are not different. Internal financial control. Which of the following is attempted to construct theory of public organization in tune with consumer interest and the individual preferences, that was public choice theory. The Minerva Conference emphasizing the importance of the collaborative government, that is true. There is a need to find out the ways establishing decision making process that work in multi-organization settings such as the network government. Both are explaining to each other. Admin management is a closed concept of the perception of the Weberian theory. So both consider organization as a unit of environment, that is wrong about Weber and administration management theory. Both are not considered as an environment, but both concern the top administration, hold the economic efficiency and organization of man for the organization than men. They are work on the organization than men. Okay. Consider the following about the behavioral approach. The root of behavioral approach can be traced back to the Taylor experiment. So behavioral Taylor very दोनों ही different है. That is structural, that is not structural. Which the following is not one of the 14 principal. Control is not. Trait theory, leader is the characteristics, and skill theory, that is leadership is concerned the human. Style theory, that was task oriented, and the situational theory, that was the leader must be alter the leadership based on situation. First is the source, then will be the encoder, then will be the message channel, then will be the decoder, then receiver, then will be the feedback, and last will be the noise. Principal agent theory, that is deal with the inherent challenges of the motivation for controlling the cooperative action, that was principal agent theory. Which is following basis for the new public management, more flexible and open government, that was the new public management. The Max Weber, internal accountability, public choice theory, self-service, Taylorism, efficiency, and the new public management, efficiency, economy, and the effectiveness. The Joran, that was father of quality management, Peter Drucker, social ecologist, Edward Widner Deming, father of total quality, and the Henry Fayol, founder of the management process. Which in the following was a statement not correct? All minister member of the House of Commons, that is not true. Which is not the first stream scheme designed for the specialist and another group, that was nationalist. First stream is not. Which is following was the civil service are correct. 1, 3 and 4. The merit system expanded steadily to almost all the federal employee, that is not true. Which is the following is about the French civil service, not correct. The civil service who accept minister's portfolio also cannot return to their corps if they must leave their high office. The International Bank of Reconstruction ने बात की थी having a per capita income 1000 to 10,000. The growth of citizen participation is due to the explosion of knowledge, and the citizen participation is a remedy to check the corrupt practices. So 20th में दोनों ही एक दूसरे को explain कर रहे हैं, explain नहीं कर रहे हैं. Actually it is not about to check the corrupt practice, but the quality of the services which is important for the citizen participation, and is a remedy to the check the corrupt practices. So that is not about that explaining this. So 20th is both true but not explaining to each other. 21 एंडो का मतलब इंटरनली और एक्सो का मतलब आउटसाइड हो गया. ऑर्थो का मतलब सेमी डिफ्रेक्टेड हो गया. डिफ्रेक्टेड का मतलब कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ द एस्पायरेशन इन रियलिटी. मेयर इन काउंसिल, दैट इज मेयर इन काउंसिल क्या होता है. 22 द कैबिनेट फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एट द म्यूनसिपल लेवल. With the editor of the book titled Development Administration, that was Edward Widner. The following is 10th report refurbishing, 11th promising smart way. Second report that was about the unlocking the human efforts, and 11th report हो गया, and 11th report that is promising smart way, and 12th report that was one that was citizen centric admin in the heart of government. Which of the following statement of World Trade Organization are correct? It is spelled out the principle. It comprises of 188 country, that is not about the citizen World Trade Organization. So 25 का आ जाएगा 4, and 25 का आंसर जो है that will be the 4. It comprises 188 country, that is not true about the World Trade Organization. Which is the following statement International Monetary Fund? So it resolve the trading dispute at the countries, that is not true about the इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड. ट्रेडिंग डिस्प्यूट्स की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहा था ये, ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट वन इज Who is the following the administrative head of the Prime Minister office? 27 का आंसर है, that is A. Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister. Which is the following committee was committee recommended to change the financial year from January to 31? 28 was A, that was the L.K. Jha committee. And the judicial activism is a growth avenue and the lesson that grievances common citizens are approaching to the law for the administrative excesses and the inefficiency. In which of the following case the right to information is inherent? The Raj Narayan of the UP. Which is the following not a function of the central vigilance to guide the Central Bureau of Investigation? That is not function. In which of the following year the juvenile justice, that was 2000, annual performance agreement, second ARC, the research study intended to test hypothesis, that was experimental study. Select the following scientific method, that was ethical neutrality is the scientific method. Which is the following is not the recommendation of the second ARC? So 36, there should be a decentralization of the training for the office of the district level of all level of India. Which is the following is not true about the Public Account Committee? The committee examined the draft of the financial legislation. That is not true about the Public Account Committee. Which is following sampling design is a type of the cluster, which is a multi-stage sampling. Which is the following condition consider conduct the formulation of the research? So conducting the experience survey is not part of the formulation of the research problem. Okay, now the which is the following is the probability sampling, that is the cluster sampling. Convenience, judgment and quota, all three are known probability. Now following CPSC के बारे में बताना था. इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द ह्यूमन कैपिटल प्रायोरिटी इन द ऑल पब्लिक, तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, सारी ही पब्लिक सेक्टर्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होता है. विलेज पंचायत इज अकाउंटेबल टू ग्राम सभा. नवरत्ना विच इज़ इट हैज़ अ सिग्निफिकेंट ग्लोबल इम्पोर्टेंस, यस. एंड यहाँ पे 2500 रुपये कुछ अर्न करने के लिए नॉट प्रॉफिट की बात की गई, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग वन इन दैट. ये ओल्ड क्वेश्चन है इसलिए इसको स्किप कर सकते हैं. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर द म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन, तो ये थोड़ा ओल्ड होते हुए भी आप इसको स्किप नहीं करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को, ठीक है. तो दैट इज़ यहाँ पर 1726. And arrange the following about the different aspect of the functions of the पंचायत. So that is सबसे पहले है स्टडी टीम, सबसे पहले GVK राव कमेटी, देन है स्टडी टीम ऑफ द पंचायती राज, देन अशोक मेहता कमेटी है. बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी इज़ नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दैट. अरुणाचल प्रदेश फंक्शनरीज हैव नॉट बीन ट्रांसफर्ड. Assam, that was official, continue to report the department. And Chhattisgarh PRI do not have the control over the functionaries. And Uttar Pradesh Panchayat make the recruitment for 9 department. Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Yojana was Government of India concerned with, that was capacity building of the elected representative of the Panchayati Raj. Which of the following state was been ranked first in devolution? That was Kerala. Which of the following not the enlisted Panchayat? That was Uttarakhand. Who among the following has been expressed the new public management in dead long digital era? That was Patrick Dunleavy. Now next, the definition of public administration is socially embedded. थर्ड प्रिंटर बुक में कहा गया था, केडन ने दिया था पब्लिक इन द डेवलपिंग डिसिप्लिन. एंड डायनेमिक ऑफ पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कोलम्बस की का था. निकोलस हेनरी का पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड पब्लिक अफेयर था. निग्रो का मॉडर्न पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था. नेक्स्ट है ड्वाइट वॉल्डो और न्यू पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को न्यू रोमांटिज्म कौन बोलते हैं? दैट इज़ द ड्वाइट वॉल्डो. द टर्म डेलिब्रेटिव डेमोक्रेसी कहाँ से आई थी? तो डेलिब्रेटिव डेमोक्रेसी ये थर्ड मिनरो बुक कॉन्फ्रेंस में इसको डेलिब्रेटिव डेमोक्रेसी को दिया गया था. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग अबाउट द स्टाफ आर सेलेक्टेड. लाइन एजेंसी हैव नो पावर ऑर्डर एंड कंट्रोल, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग कम्प्लीटली, क्योंकि लाइन एजेंसी को भी पावर होती है. द वर्चुअल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज स्मॉल कोर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट आउटसोर्स द मेजर बिजनेस फंक्शन टू कन्फर द अथॉरिटी फ्रॉम वन एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू द अनदर, दैट इज़ द डिलीगेशन. एक अथॉरिटी से दूसरी को देना, दैट इज़ द डिलीगेशन होता है. Now the graphic story explaining different aspect of the supervision, that is विलियमसन ने बताया था ये. The issue of decentralization is more complex in concept and practice than the generally acknowledged, that was the फेसलर. तो फेसलर ने कहा था कि इशू जो है डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स है. फील्ड एस्टेब्लिशमेंट आर कंट्रोल बाय द हेडक्वार्टर थ्रू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड? सो दैट इज़ द रिपोर्टिंग, ऑडिटिंग, इंस्पेक्टिंग एंड द इन्वेस्टिगेशन. वो अमंग द फॉलोइंग वॉज द चीफ प्रोपोनेंट ऑफ द पोस्ट ब्यूरोक्रेटिक थ्योरी. सो 11th है सी, दैट इज़ वॉरेन बेनिस जो है ये चीफ प्रोपोनेंट है. which is following is not correct about the system approach. It assumes that organizations are not changing in order to respond effectively to environment and intergovernmental change. Which is following book is not written by Chester Bernard. So the practice of management विच इज़ नॉट रिटन बाय चेस्टर बर्नार्ड. ठीक है, इसमें फंक्शन ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैनेजमेंट एंड एलिमेंट लिखे गए थे. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द ट्रेड यूनियन अबाउट द टेररिज्म. इट इंक्रीज द वर्कलोड ऑफ द मैनेजर. दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. वर्कलोड नहीं बढ़ाता है, ये रिड्यूस करता है. कंसिडर एमएचजीओ नहीं, यूटिलिटेरियन, नॉर्मेटिव एंड पेसिव नहीं है, कोर्सिव है. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग लीडरशिप अकॉर्डिंग टू रेंसिस लिंकर टोटल फेथ होता है. तो टोटल फेथ है, दैट इज़ अ पार्टिसिपेटिव स्टाइल में टोटल फेथ है. फोर्स पीपल द फोर्स द प्रोडक्शन, दैट इज़ द मैनेजरल ग्रिड थ्योरी. मैनेजरल ग्रिड थ्योरी में दोनों की बात की गई. साइमन जो है वो जोन ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस की, फेओल जो है वो स्पानन, चेस्टर बर्नार्ड जोन ऑफ इंडिफरेंस एंड ग्रेकुना स्पान ऑफ अटेंशन की बात करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द कोटिल्या ने फिजिकल कैपेबिलिटी की कभी बात नहीं की है. इसने एडिकेट एजुकेशन, राइटियसनेस, गुड रिलेशन की बात की थी. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ द हाउथोन स्टडी. तो फर्स्ट इंक्वायरी विच इज़ नॉट, एल्टन मेयो ने कहा था, दैट इज़ नॉट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ हाउथोन स्टडी. नाउ द विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग नॉट पे ऑफ द एम.पी. फॉलेट. लीगल मेथड एम.पी. फॉलेट ने नहीं दिया था. वो इज़ द फॉलोइंग इज एडवोकेटेड द इंफॉर्मेशन एनर्जी. डोरसे collects the allied group who uses a traditional cloud to win the election. The government of United States was the debate from the infringing the right to keep and bear arms. That was the second amendment में कहा गया है. The British Prime Minister does not recommend the appointment of First Lord of Treasury. The Citizen Charter of the United Kingdom, that is standard information, choices, courtesy and value for money. The term Fourth Republic, that was 1946 से लेकर के 58 तक आया था. डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कंसर्न विद द मैक्सिमाइजिंग इनोवेशन, एडवर्ड विडनर. द की फॉर्मूला ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कुड बी एक्सप्रेस, दैट इज पाई पनीकर ने दिया था. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज विच वन इज नॉट रियली ओरिएंटेड विद द टैकल द ब्यूरोक्रेटाइजेशन, प्रोलिफरेशन ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉर्डर मैनेजमेंट, इट इज़ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स के अंडर में आता है. खादी एंड विलेज इंडस्ट्री जो है, दैट वाज द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स. एंड सेंट्रल विजिलेंस कमीशन, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स. इंडियन एनिमल बोर्ड, दैट वाज द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस. एंड ये रजिस्ट्रेशन जनरल, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स. द विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द रोल ऑफ कैबिनेट, नॉट करेक्ट. इट इज़ द एग्जीक्यूटिव पॉलिसी, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. विच इज़ फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट कैबिनेट कमिटी इन इंडिया, द पॉलिटिकल अफेयर कमिटी. Which is following organization subject to the cake, all other authorities and nominally financed from the state government. Which is following are the criteria for the chief minister, that was seniority होती है, service records होते हैं, approval of the governor, that is not part of the chief minister, confidence होता है, approval of the governor, that is not part of that. The central social welfare board is the awareness, and the voluntary sector having the government funds for the direct supervision, that is not true. सो 37 का सी हो जाएगा यहाँ पे आंसर. नाउ सक्सेसफुल एम्प्लॉय रिलेशनशिप जो होते हैं, फॉर एम्प्लॉय इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशन इज़ अबाउट द मेकिंग प्रॉफिट फॉर इट्स शेयर होल्डर. द एडिशनल फंक्शन कैन बी असाइन टू यूपीएससी बाय अमेंडिंग, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. अमेंडमेंट से आप एडिशनल फंक्शंस को रिटर्न नहीं करते हैं. ब्यूरोक्रेटिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज मीन्स टू द रिजिड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होता है. ब्यूरोक्रेसी एक्सरसाइज कंट्रोल ऑन द नॉलेज. The good governance, digital government is interrelated, and the people in rural area have no access to the e-government, lack of the appropriate technology. Who among the following chairman of General Council, that was Union Home Minister. Which is the following committee has the constitution of the Central Civil Service Authority, that was second ARC ने ऐसी बात कही थी. ठीक है. Which is the following is the organization advanced professional program for this is Indian Institute of Public Administration, New Delhi. फुलचंद कमेटी, इट इज़ गिफ्टेड लेमन की बात की थी. एडमिन रिफॉर्म कमीशन ने जनरल पर्पज सर्विस की. एंड रॉबर्ट प्रेस्टस ने कंपेलिंग इन एजुकेशन, जवाहरलाल नेहरू एंड एलाइटिस्ट वाली बात की थी. ठीक है. नाउ विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ए रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ सेकेंड ARC. द डिटेल्ड रिजल्ट असेसमेंट शुड बी प्रेजेंटेड टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, एंड दैट इज़ नॉट अबाउट दिस सेकेंड ARC. Consider the following about the budget. Norms and values permeate the budget process, that is not true. Does not permeate the budget. It is offered the whicher. It has a redistributive aspect, take into account for the economic variable, but this is not permeate. Okay. Adoption of the performance audit, that was 12th फाइनेंस कमीशन ने हमने लिया था. इज़ द फॉलोइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सन द वेरी ब्लड ऑफ द जो है वो, दैट इज़ द क्रिटिसिज्म. An optimum sample is one which is definitiveness नहीं है, representative, reliability and the efficiency. Is the following statement or hypothesis are correct? If it is a clear होगी, testable जरूरी है, and grandest scope नहीं होता है but related to the body of the theory. Consider about the statement of the collector is vested with the power of various central state law and the emergence of the several technical no. In the time of calamity, the collector is supremacy no longer prevail. That is not true. So, district officer, magistrate, collector shall appointed by the state government on the recommendation of district council. That is also not true. Now, which is the following is the third world. The African and the Asian country, that is not true, but the French writer survey, leader of the non-aligned movement and the Mao Zedong. African and Asian country is not, which is about the public sector, correct. So, human resource management given top priority in this, that is not about the public sector, okay. Is the following नवरत्ना. अब ह्यूमन रिसोर्स को इन्होंने टॉप प्रायोरिटी नहीं दे रखी है. इट इज़ अलाइनिंग टू द लैक ऑफ ऑटोनॉमी, देयर इज़ अ वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट एंड देयर इज़ अ नीड फॉर द कॉम्प्रहेंसिव लुक, बट ह्यूमन को इन्होंने प्रायोरिटी नहीं दी, ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग इज अ नवरत्ना इज एलिवेटेड द महारत्ना, दैट वाज द स्टील अथॉरिटी. पब्लिक सेक्टर फेस द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, कॉम्पिटेंट, सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड centralized organization structure. Which is the following was the about the policy approach, it encompasses voluntary efforts also. That is not true about the public approach. Which is the following suggested to be the reserve the public sector, arms emulsion, mineral oil, minimum zinc and the railway transport. Board or industrial reconstruction, that was monitoring performance. Now 6 to 14 ईयर का एज कवर करता है इसमें. Who's the warfare of the people, that was Hobbes ने दिया था. The social development, it is the focus the education, emphasize the planning and inclusive universalities and harmonize the social intervention. Which is the institution was the founded first time in India, that was Sir Dorabji Tata Institute. Now constraint है टाइम का, इंटेलिजेंस का, कंस्टेंट ऑफ पावर नहीं है बट पॉलिटिक्स का भी कंस्टेंट है. दैट इज़ द रैशनल पॉलिसी बनाने में लिंडबॉम ने पावर वाला नहीं बताया था, बाकी सारे कंस्टेंट बताए थे. Was the following is a mixed scanning, that was the MJ Johnny है, ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द पैराडिग्म शिफ्ट ऑफ द पब्लिक पॉलिसी. द ब्यूरोक्रेटिक एक्सपेंशन की बात नहीं की जाती है प्राइवेटाइजेशन में, ठीक है. मैनी रोल्स ऑफ द लोकल गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेक्टेड टू प्ले, सो एज ए रेगुलेटर, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, एजेंट एंड द वेलफेयर रोल. नाउ विच इज़ द पंचायत महिला शक्ति अभियान, facilitate women their collective strength, provide the forum and enable the women panchayat leader, issue the communication between the skill. The urban mission, that was ICAI project, is started by the 2002. This has a 10% budget, no instrument, technical guidance, that is also not true. Second, यहाँ से recommend integrated government structure of the district level in the form of district council, that was both rural and urban. Which is the following not correct about the centrally sponsored scheme 1981 and 82, they were initially introduced. That is not true about that. 72 का A. Which is the following state does not provide the 50% reservation for women, that was West Bengal नहीं provide करवाता है. And initially 81 में, that is not true. Not about the centrally sponsored 81 में, that is not true. The case of the accounting system criticizes. In the system, the transaction relation to asset or liability and are integral part of the account, that is not true. And decision maker able to look ahead the estimate whether they can afford the new, no. It is a deficient and transparency and user friendliness. It cannot be utilized as an effective tool for the measure accountability of the performance. But in the system, the past transaction relation, asset and liability are integral part, that is not true. And look ahead the estimate of whether they are afford new service, no. Was the following chairman of expert group decentralized planning grassroots level, that was V Ramachandran. He was the expert group of the decentralized planning at the grassroots level, so that name was the V Ramachandran. So these all we completed.